This is the affordable luxury your customer has been waiting for. Mercator Ikuü is an Australian-owned, Australian-designed and Australian-supported brand offering smart home products that are simple to install, quick to set up and easy to use. The range, totalling over 100 different products, has been specifically designed in conjunction with Australian electrical contractors. Offering large terminal sizes and compatible mechs, installation is easy and straightforward. Ikuü products can be installed by qualified electricians with an easy handover process empowering the end consumer. Contractors can rest assured that their projects are delivered smoothly and on time. For consumers who want a whole-of-home solution, Mercator Ikuü makes life easy, as everything they need is controlled through one simple to use and beautifully designed app. All lighting, electrical, air movement and security products can be retrofitted and are suitable for all homes, new build or existing. Mercator Ikuü products are just as easy to install as non-smart, but provide greater utility and satisfaction for all users. Expert support services based in Australia means your customers will be delighted with their Mercator Ikuü products over the longer term. The 3-year warranty will give them additional peace of mind. Mercator's goal was to create an affordable and innovative system that would be suitable for new home builders, renovators and upgraders alike, so everybody can enjoy the benefits and continual growth of the Mercator Ikuü system. Your customers will love Mercator Ikuü and you'll love working with it.